go around and steal.
Married at 15, traveling the world at 70.
Fantastic ride. Ciao.
Ciao.
Go around and steal them.
I want to know, you always say that, is it true that your mother would say you never buy lemons in Sicily? And
My mother used to
if you
say,
do, it's sacrilegious.
Loredana, sometime we go visit my mother and
Right.
she had a bag and my mother saw that she bought lemons.
She bought Loredana?
Say, are you crazy? You don't buy lemon here.
No.
Never.
You go to your neighbor or
You
wherever.
go to the neighbor, they give it to you, or just you go around and steal it.
You're coming home from the base.
Yeah, it was about 5 o'clock and and the street goes to orchard lemon trees.
Right.
So I saw the yellow lemon from the fence. I stopped the car. I was, I had a suit and a tie. I climbed over the wall, hanging on the fence, and started trying to get some lemons, put it in my pocket. About 5 meters down, the owner came down and said, "What are you doing?" I said, "Well, I'm getting some lemons." So, well, come through the gate, you're gonna get all dirty and torn.
Yeah.
Say, well, if I come through the gate, you take the fun out of it. I have to take it from here.
Yeah, you gotta be stealing.
Guys start laughing, yeah.
So, right.
Trying to steal some lemons, and the guy came down and the guy said, "Hey, sir, how many owners are in this property?" My brother said, "Me and you." Say, "Okay, so you can take the lemons."
And he says, how many owners are here?
Yeah.
And your brother said, you and me. Perfect. Ciao.
Because Orazio says lemons only taste good if you steal them.
Oh,
So now we're going to go and steal some lemons from Orazio.
okay. They're not home, so
They're not
it's
home,
really
that's
truly
perfect.
stealing.
This is going to be so good.
This one here?
Yeah.
See that?
Yes, I see that.
Okay, so you twist
Yeah,
this.
twist it off. Yep, perfect. And we need one more.
This one?
Yeah. This is called stealing lemons. Have we got him?
Do I look like a Pink Panther stealing lemons?
Yes. You look better than the Pink Panther. Perfecto, no?
Ciao, Orazio.
Ciao, Orazio, Loredana.
We
Ciao,
got
ciao.
your lemon.
This is what we need. Yes, we want to see her expression to see, is it any good? She's never tried this before, by the way.
Buonissimo. No, that's the first time.
The first time you guys have had this? It's an Italian chef that did this first. No problem.
Buono.
What? Oh, what?
Minchia, ci ha fatto un nome enorme.
My heart beats again.
Hey,
Yeah, my heart had stopped beating.
Can I have a little bit more of
Pepper?
pecorino?
Oh,
Pecorino.
yes, of course. Yes.
Buonissima, John. Buonissima.
Oh, good. I'm glad you love it. I'm glad you
More
like
pepper,
it. I'm glad
more
you
cheese,
like
not
it.
that? I got the pot boiling. Big one. Because I'm going to put the number 7 pasta in there. Lemon pasta. It's very simple. So the olive oil went in first, like this, see? Okay. And now I'm going to squeeze in some lemon juice into there. And if you do it through a sieve like this, very simple, then you don't have to worry about the seeds. And I use in this particular recipe, I use 2 lemons because we're going to have 4 people today. So once the lemon juice is in there, then I'm going to. Now I've already grated the lemons here, see, and I'm going to get more out of there, and then I put in the grated lemons into there, and then I just wait a little bit. Then I'm going to put in some butter, Okay, and then at the end, I bring in, once the pasta's ready, so that's when I put in the basil and have the basil just outside the corner.
Very good.
Okay.
Yeah.
Oh, and then I'm going to grate some cheese as well.
What kind of cheese is it?
And that is the local pecorino.
Pecorino.
Pecorino, okay?
Very good.
And I'm also going to use that fancy butter from northern Italy.
Ah, right.
Okay?
Yes.
That makes the sauce creamy.
Yeah.
That butter. Unbelievable.
Sounds wonderful.
Okay. And we're waiting on Loredana and Orazio. They should be here shortly. What?
Maya announces the arrival.
Yes. Hello, hello.
Come in.
Come on in.
Buongiorno. Welcome to our casa.
And look, Orazio got shorts on.
Wow, I've never seen
amazing.
that.
Eggs, perfecto. Thank grazie. You're in style?
Did he say tired or style? Okay.
Pasta water is going like crazy, all right? But because I don't like to have it this on an element to burn the butter, I do it on top of the and I steam it. Look, see how nicely that's good, and the butter just melts in there so nice.
Nice.
Isn't that amazing? And I've already added a little salt, a little pepper, and at the end, the pasta goes into here, get mixed around a little bit, and then I'm going to grate some cheese, and the cheese goes on top, and I'm going to go outside and cut a bunch of basil.
Perfect. Perfect.
Perfecto, no?
Perfecto.
Okay, salt first. Okay. Now, every Italian chef, or every Sicilian, good, always make sure that the water is boiling. Boom. That's my boom, boom, boom. Boom, 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 boom. How much, Loredana? How much for 4 of us? Tell me, Loredana, show me how much. For 4, how many? How big?
350 grammi.
That's 1, 2, see Loredana, she does that too? 4. That's good? Okay,
How did she measure?
Vuoi mettere un altro po'?
let's do a little. Okay.
So a handful for each person.
Yes, perfect. Thank you, Loredana. Grazie mille, my friend. Okay, so. Loredana said I need to add more salt and another minute or 2. Then it's ready.
And one,
1 minute, she said.
yes.
Uno.
Sei giustificato.
Okay, which tongs are you going to use for the?
I use this. It's got a few more minutes to go. But
Bush è stato presidente quando Orazio lavorava. Ha avuto Reagan,
My service
Bush
was under
father,
4 presidents.
right, you served on the 4 presidents. Okay,
Reagan,
very good.
Bush padre,
Bush padre, Clinton, Bush son, and Obama
You served under Obama too?
for a few years.
No kidding. Wow. Okay.
Okay, go ahead.
Pecorino.
This is pecorino for on top of the pasta.
Okay.
Maria, how is your cholesterol?
Perfect. I have none. That's what my tests always show.
Yeah, he does. He does have some.
No, I don't.
Yes, they said in when
I
we
do?
were- Yeah.
When did they say I had cholesterol?
When we had our blood tested,
Yeah, but they didn't say there was any problem.
not that high, no. Not as mine. Mine is worse.
Hers is worse than mine.
Me too.
Yeah, mine is bad.
Okay, this is ready, Joan.
So does that mean we can't eat the pepperoni?
And then I'll go outside and we'll get fresh basil to put on top.
Okay. I'm gonna use the green or the black basil.
We'll use black basil on it. Maya, what's going on, huh? Okay. And you use a little bit of green. Okay. Plus. Yeah.
There was one that was stronger than the other. Had a bit of a different.
I think this black is pretty
Is
strong.
it the black one? Interesting.
But that should be plenty.
Oh yeah, I can really get a whiff of it. Wow. It's doing well. Need to water these today again.
Okay.
Okay, go.
Orazio. For Orazio, we did these. Orazio, Lodana, and me, we did these. What?
Anchovies.
Maybe 5 weeks, 6 weeks ago?
6 weeks ago.
6 weeks ago.
And they ready to.
Oh, they're ready. So now all we're doing is add a little bit of olive oil.
Well, take the bone out first.
I did. I washed. First I washed.
Wash, take the bone out,
Yes.
Yes.
And then add a little bit of vinegar,
a little bit of oil.
a little bit of oil. Then you mix just like this. So it's very, very simple.
It's a beautiful antipasto.
Look how that looks. Isn't that amazing?
Amazing.
Now I'm going to cut up some bread. And we're going to...
Anchovy made by Harry. Incredible. Canadian anchovies.
Canadian anchovy. Alrighty, okay.
Okay, you
now I'm
must
gonna cut the
mention what
bread.
kind of balsamic vinegar you used.
Oh, that's mother.
Here, this one.
Harry, do you like the anchovy?
It says
I love
con madre. That means
And then you can
with
make it
mother.
also with pasta. Pasta,
Yes.
anchovy, black pasta.
Okay. See, amazing, eh?
Good bread.
Ogni sono di rosato.
Go cheese.
Minchia, guarda, allonato.
Orazio, I can make. Now, my sauce is ready, and it is just very simple. It's lemons, olive oil, salt, pepper, and a little bit of rye. Okay. Now I'm going to plate. Okay, so now I'm going to put a little bit of, I garnish it with pasta. And I'm going to give Orazio to taste.